everyone, welcome back to your own channel Study with Alka Kandwal. For those who are joining the session or joining the channel for the first time, I would like to give you all a brief introduction. I am Alka Kandwal. I can speak English, Hindi, Nepali, Assamese and Garhwali, so you can connect with me in any of the languages mentioned. और ये channel basically it is an educational channel wherein we are taking PGT computer science and TGT computer science. That is our main target. और दूसरा important point है कि हम mathematics के interesting sections बीच में लाते रहते हैं. That is helpful for the children from grade 8 to 10 and definitely for those who are preparing for the competitive exams. अब तीसरा जो है एक कंप्यूटर सेक्शन है that is for all the competitive exams. We know that nowadays the computer section is a mandatory thing for all the competitive exam. तो उसके questions भी हम लोग MCQs discuss करते रहते हैं और वो भी आते रहेंगे उसके बारे में भी details. So अगर अभी तक आपने लाइक नहीं किया है, शेयर नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो definitely do it and motivate me and you can also share it with those who will be really benefited out of it. And also don't forget to click on the bell notification so as and when a new video is uploaded you are definitely notified about it. So let us get started with today's session. हमने already grade 8 का एक important topic है understanding quadrilaterals. हमने polygons के बारे में बात कर लिया है, convex, concave polygon, regular, irregular polygon and some of the properties. We were talking about the quadrilaterals and we had a detailed talk on kite and trapezium. हमने proof भी देखा कि kites में अगर हमको proof करना है that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other तो कौन सी congruency लगाएंगे, ये सब हमने डिटेल में बात कर लिया है. आज हम बात करेंगे पैरेललोग्राम्स के बारे में. तो उससे पहले एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं so that our energy is boosted. So let us start with the first question of the day. Now it is said that there are the four angles of a quadrilateral are given, but they are given in the form of A. For example, A plus 10 degree, 3A plus 10 degree, and 5A minus 10 degree, and 3A minus 10 degree. They are the angles of the quadrilateral. They are saying that these are the angles of the quadrilateral. We need to find the value. What is the value of A? What will be the value of A? Yes, we need to find कि A की वैल्यू क्या होगी. अब हमको पता है कि ये एंगल्स हैं क्वाड्रिलैटरल के, तो हमको ये तो पता चल गया कि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज 360 डिग्री. तो हम क्या करेंगे, A plus 10 डिग्री plus 3A plus 10 डिग्री plus 5A minus 10 degree plus 3A minus 10 degree. That will be equal to what? 360 degree, because the angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. 10 degree minus 10 degree cancel out, plus 10 degree minus 10 degree cancel out. A plus 3A 4A, 4A plus 5A 9A, 9 plus 3 12A. 12A is equal to 360 degree हो गया. और A की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी बताइए, 360 डिग्री divided by 12, that is nothing but 30 degree. So the value of A comes out to be 30 degree. So that is the answer. So that is how you will solve the question. Is it clear, everyone? So these type of questions are definitely asked. So let us go ahead and let us see about parallelograms and let us see. Okay, so when we are talking about parallelograms, ठीक है, नेम से ही समझ में आ रहा है बहुत सारी चीजें. तो जैसे कि पैरेललोग्राम है, लेट अस कंसिडर दैट ए बी सी और डी एक पैरेललोग्राम है. फाइन, ये एक पैरेललोग्राम है. अब इसके डायगोनल्स हैं BD and AC and they are intersecting at O. Fine, this is a parallelogram. अब इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होती हैं? तो फर्स्ट नंबर वन प्रॉपर्टी, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides will be equal as well as parallel. Is it fine? What does that mean? मतलब AB is equal to CD होगा and AD will be equal to BC. Opposite sides, is it not? AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, and similarly AB will be parallel to CD and AD will be parallel to BC. So both the opposite sides are parallel as well as equal. So that is the number one property we are talking about. Yes. Now opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles भी equal होंगे. तो ये सब चीजें हमको बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखनी है क्योंकि they will give us a figure wherein there are some angles which is given. We have to find the unknown values. तो ये properties जब हमको याद रहती है तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग easily find out कर सकते हैं the values whatever is asked in the question. Opposite angles are equal means angle D will be equal to angle B and angle A will be equal to angle C. Angle A will be equal to angle C. So the opposite angles are equal. So these are the properties of the parallelogram, and the third property says that diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Yes. अब इसका मतलब क्या है कि डायगोनल्स कहाँ पे मीट कर रहे हैं ओ में, तो हमारा OD विल बी इक्वल टू OB एंड वैसे ही OA विल बी इक्वल टू OC. OA equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. Fine. So these are the properties of the parallelogram which you will keep in mind. Is it fine? Opposite angles equal, opposite side equal and parallel, and the diagonals bisecting each other. अब जब हम पैरेललोग्राम के टाइप्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे रोम्बस है, एक स्क्वायर है, एक रेक्टेंगल है, ये सारे पैरेललोग्राम हैं. तो जब मैं बोलूंगी व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द रोम्बस, तो ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टीज hold करेंगी for rhombus also, for square also and rectangle also, that the opposite sides are equal, parallel opposite angles being equal, diagonals bisecting each other. ये तीनों properties तीनों के लिए common है, rhombus के लिए क्योंकि वो भी एक parallelogram है, square के लिए और rectangle के लिए. That is very very important to understand. Is it fine? So let us discuss about these in detail. Are you all ready for it? So we are talking about parallelogram. Yes, parallelogram. Is it fine? So first, let us talk about the first type of parallelogram, that is rhombus. So obviously, हमने बोला rhombus एक parallelogram है. तो जितनी भी properties parallelogram की हैं, all the properties of parallelogram will hold. ठीक है, all the properties will hold. All the sides are equal to each other. Rhombus में सारे side equal होते हैं. All the sides are equal to each other. Yes, तो ये है. और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो डायगोनल्स हैं वो क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स हैं, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स टू ईच अदर. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बाइसेक्टर्स टू ईच अदर. इज इट ओके? सो वी आर हैविंग अ रोम्बस, जैसे कि ABCD. ओके, BCD एंड दिस ऑल द साइड्स विल बी इक्वल. और देखिए ये है हमारा डायगोनल्स, they are perpendicular bisectors to each other. OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB and angle DOC, that is 90 degree, because they are perpendicular bisectors to each other. So that is about rhombus. अभी मैं आप लोगों को एक क्वेश्चन भी दूंगी, then we will realize कि how these properties are very very important to solve the questions. बहुत important है. They might give you a question that dash is a parallelogram wherein the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. We should be able to tell that it is nothing but rhombus. Now when we talk about rectangle, everyone knows about rectangle, very very easy. Again, all the properties of the parallelogram will hold, all the properties of parallelogram will hold, and all the angles are 90 degree. Angles are right angles. Yes, are right angles. And diagonals, what about the diagonals? डायगोनल्स में क्या रिलेशन है? डायगोनल्स इक्वल हैं, डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल एज वेल एज बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. अब देखिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कि डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर कर रहे हैं और इक्वल हैं, परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर नहीं है, दे आर इक्वल. फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ रेक्टेंगल, तो ABCD and the diagonal, for example BD and AC, they will be equal to each other. If they are giving AC is equal to 8 centimeter, BD भी 8 centimeter होगा क्योंकि वो equal हैं. The dimensions are equal. So that is a very very important point again. अब जब हम तीसरे पैरेललोग्राम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, स्क्वायर, अगेन वेरी इजी. तो ऑब्वियसली पैरेललोग्राम की सारी प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड करेंगी. ऑल एंगल्स 90 डिग्री हैं, all the sides are also equal. और जब हम लोग बात करेंगे डायगोनल्स के बारे में, तो डायगोनल्स क्या हैं? इक्वल भी हैं एंड परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स भी हैं. So in case of the square, the diagonals are equal as well as perpendicular bisectors to each other. So these are the three parallelogram and these are the properties of it. So name the parallelogram which is in which the diagonals are equal as well as the perpendicular bisector. It is nothing but the square. Is it fine? So ये है important thing. So I told you that I will give you a question on rhombus. So let us do another question. So you could have noted it down. ठीक है, अगर नहीं किया तो आप लोग बैठ जाओ और आप लोग नोट डाउन कर लो. Is it okay? A B C D. They are saying that it is a rhombus. ठीक है, और वो लोग ने बोला है कि BC 13 सेंटीमीटर का है. ठीक है, and then they are saying that these are the diagonals and they are bisecting each other at O. ठीक है, and they are saying that ये जो BD है, BD हमारा 10 सेंटीमीटर है. तो हमको क्या पता है रोम्बस के बारे में? दैट दे आर परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स टू ईच अदर. तो ये 90 डिग्री होगा. और जो ये है, तो दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड AC. अब हमको AC फाइंड आउट करना है. Is it fine? So these are also 90 degree, right? ये 90 डिग्री है. The diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. तो हमको क्या पता है कि O, this is BD, right? BD ये मतलब 10 है, तो 5 और 5 हो जाएंगे. Do you agree? Because they bisect each other, तो OD is equal to OB, तो ये 5 and 5 हो जाएंगे. अब हमको AC निकालना है, तो AC निकालने के लिए पहले OC निकाल लो. Because by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem से क्या होगा? Tell me. Do you know Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square मतलब BC square will be equal to OB square plus OC square? Is it not? अब BC square हमको पता है कितना है? 13 square. OB भी पता है? Yes, 5 square. और OC हमको नहीं पता है, तो चलो OC square calculate करते हैं. Therefore OC square will be equal to 13 square, that is 169, minus 5 5 is 25. So OC square is equal to 144. तो अगर OC स्क्वायर हमारा 144 है, तो OC कितना हो जाएगा? अंडर रूट 144, दैट इज 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो अगर OC 12 सेंटीमीटर आया तो A भी 12 होगा. So what will be AC? AC is nothing but 12, 2 into 12, that is 24 centimeter. Yes, so that will be the answer. तो हमने कैसे कैलकुलेट कर पाया? Because हमको पता था कि diagonals are perpendicular bisectors, all the sides of the rhombus are equal, and with this property we were able to find the value. So this is the end of the chapter understanding quadrilateral. We move again to the next chapter, profit loss, compound interest, simple interest. Lots of things are coming up. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your own channel, Study with Alka Khandwal. Have a great week. Have a great day. So let's hope we meet again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.